think it just landed right there. There was another plane somewhere right here, but I don't know where it is now. Right there. It's windy. I'll see you guys whenever it taxis to the runway and takes off. Hello guys, it's me, Train Trackers Official, and there's a plane taking off. Right there. A small plane. With a loud engine. Yep. And then, oh, we can't see United anymore. It's about to take off though. It's going behind this building right here. So yeah, guys, I'll see you whenever